Namaste, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, and today I have to say Har Har Mahadev because I am at Prayagraj. Like crores of people from across the world, I have also found my way here because something pulled us here. And I have to thank the organizers of Culture Kumbh for doing this, for getting me here actually, Shefali Vaidya and Shantanu Gupta. And with that, see what happens when you come to you get some of the best minds who are so difficult to get. We've got them in a huddle. No, they don't charge when they come with but Swaroop Sampath, thank you so much. Gautam Chikarmane, Ami Ganatra, Shefali Vaidya and Maria Worth. She's so hard to get, but we've got her on our network already. So now, my first question to you is, you have organized this.
That's right.
You tell me, how well has Kumbh been organized this year?
Kumbh has been organized in a fantastic way. I was here in 2019 as well. That was the first time Yogi Ji was organizing the Kumbh. And even then, there was a lot of attention to detail, to safety, to security, to cleanliness. But this year, it's at a whole different level. And you can see it. I mean, you don't need my words for it. Just take a walk around the riverbanks and you'll see it for yourself. The attention to detail, the attention to cleanliness. I saw people sweeping the grounds 4 times a day. And it's like, it's incredible. You can test it. You can throw something. I mean, you should not throw something. But if you throw something, somebody will come in the next 10 minutes, pick it up and put it in the dustbin. That is a fact.
You know what actually got me? It's been 4 hours since I have landed in Prayagraj and I've spent it in traffic and waiting for cabs. That's a reality. But I'm not cribbing about it. I'll tell you why. Because nobody is cribbing about it. The best part is, स्वरूप जी, आपको ये लगा कि कोई यहाँ पर ऐसा नहीं है जो गुस्से में मुंबई में होता ना यहाँ कोई चिल्ला नहीं रहा है. हर कोई भैया आगे बढ़ो भैया. And जब जगह है तो
it's all peaceful. And even I didn't get stuck too badly, but I did. And there was no extra horning, no mujhe jane do tum. There were people who were walking and they're waiting. And I'm thinking, he's walking, he can walk ahead. But no, he's waiting, he's peaceful, there's a kid with him. But the Snan bit is the best.
How was the experience?
Oh my God, it is a fantastic experience.
What did you feel?
I felt something so classic is that I felt the sense of energy and a sense of newness when I came out. So I don't think it's about washing sins and all that. I think it's about Gangama giving you a new energy. And it's so funny when they say, decide what you want to do. And there am I really thinking, when I get out of this Snan and I go out, I'm going to really work more hard in the field of education. Imagine I'm thinking that over there, And then everybody says, it's about energy and it's about new beginnings. It's really about new beginnings.
So it gave you that kind of clarity, So Paresh is missing something.
Oh, he's missing it big time.
Unko.
My children and Paresh are missing it big time. But I have to thank these two guys for bringing me here. Thank you so much.
The best part is now Monica ji is also missing it.
Totally. She was in Bombay today. She's flying back right now and then flying out tomorrow again. So we were planning to come again and we probably might.
But the Economist having, Patta of Mahadev like that, 3 and then over the center, how does that feel?
It's amazing. I think, you know what? It feels you are part of Kumbh and Kumbh has become a part of you. I don't do this. And when I went for the Dubki also, last Kumbh was my first, Ardh Kumbh was the first first Dubki that I took, and that was a little more spontaneous. This was better organized in the sense there were mantras, the rishis, they chanted the Vedic mantras, and there was a full ceremony. And as you do that, I'm not a ritualist, but I began to understand the vibrations of the rituals, and I appreciate what the rituals actually mean, and there may be some deeper significance. I feel I'm more of a spiritual person than a religious person, but today when I went for this, I felt there is a spirituality in the religiosity as well.
In the religiosity as well.
Yeah, I felt that. You feel that. Not every time you feel it, but sometimes you do.
When Mr. Gautam Chikarmane has the mic, there will be a punchline. Spirituality in the religiosity is the punchline for him.
So you go in the water, it's chilling, it's cold, and your attention is on the cold, and suddenly when you reach that deep place where you get on your knees and do the dubkis, you are cleansed. It may not be a sin, a cleansing of sins, but there is a feeling of being cleansed.
Yeah, so you feel.
And then all these guys, they were throwing water at me, and I just folded my hands and took it as a blessing.
You just got
These
into
guys
the
were laughing
zone.
at me, but I was taking it as a blessing. And when you emerge out there, the cold is gone. He's asking me, ठंड लग रही है? ठंड लग रही है? नहीं लग रही है. ठंड नहीं लग रही है. Yeah. And so it's little magical and very deeply impactful.
Deeply impactful. So did it give you clarity of those 10 things that you have said that we need to do as far as economic policy? Remember, that's our conversation at the start of this year. That was a conversation at the start of the year.
You know, I wanted to add something about the Snan experience. It was like, even as you were taking the Dubki, I could feel I wouldn't call it a weight, but the feeling of the prayer of millions of Bharatiyas who have gone before me for generations. I was not the only one praying. Lots of prayers have gone before that. And when you rise from the water and the water falls down from your hair and your clothes, it's like the part becoming whole again. The whole had become a part and the part becoming whole again. And that is, I think, the most beautiful intrinsic realization of Bharatiya spirituality. It's a lived experience, basically.
And this is happening once in 144
4
years.
years,
So we
yes.
are all very, very lucky to be here. Ami Ganatra, what unraveled for you?
I want to add for the Snan.
हाँ, Mahabharata unraveled, Ramayana unraveled, so
Kumbh
Kumbh unraveled for you.
But ये सब स्नान के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. You would have seen videos of all the Mahamandaleshwars. They were like playing in the water, right? Amit Shah ji is playing. They're throwing water at each other. Just imagine what Ganga Ma does to you. She's like a mother. She makes you her kids. That's the experience you really take the anubhav of here. I have been here for many days now. I was here all of last week. Then Shefali ji called again and आपने कुंभ ने बुलाया है तो आना ही है. So I got a सौभाग्य of coming back. I would tell everybody, हम सब यहाँ हैं, आप लोग कहाँ हो? आइए, डुबकी लगाइए, अखाड़ों में जाइए, घूमिए, भंडारे का स्वाद लीजिए. This is a lifetime experience you will not regret.
Will not regret. No, so let me ask you this. There are many Mumbaikars also.
Yes.
One of them is Chetan Bhagat, and some of the others who say, "बहुत भीड़ है यार," and I don't know if it is safe. There are others who are thinking after what happened with the incident of the stampede, is it safe to go to Kumbh? Will we all get lost? Is that true?
I have been here, as I said, for 7 days, over 7 days, all by myself. मैं यहाँ पर भी आ गई, safe भी हूँ, लड़की भी हूँ. Now उसके बाद भी if people have questions, you are missing it. You're losing
मेरे
it.
पास एक
Yeah.
चीज है इसके लिए. All writers they use the word consciousness. I do too. यहाँ पे you feel that consciousness.
Yeah.
You become the consciousness. The consciousness of these 40 crore people who are here with bhakti. It gets it's very intense.
Yes.
It's very intense, and that bhakti seeps into you, and you make your own little bhakti and make that as an offering, which will seep into the
You
other
know what,
people.
Gautam ji? Somebody told me, one of my neighbors, he said, please get me some dhuli from there, mitti from. I said, why? She said, sir, it's not just the fact that people are going to take a dubki. That water will flow away. But there are crores of atmas which have come steeped in bhakti and spirituality. That's the hub. And those feet are coming there, and there is going to be an energy there you should take away with you. And I was like, listen, that's a very deep thought. But then when I'm walking around, Shantanu, your thoughts, and then I'll come to the lady for whom it all started here at Kumbh. That's her story, isn't it? Maria ji coming to in a bit, but first Shantanu, I just want to ask Shantanu. As I was walking across the bridge, I felt energy. I felt good. Traffic, noise, and all that's okay. But I felt good. There was something nice. I should be tired. But I'm like, bursting with energy. I don't know why, how, but I think the magic of this place. Tell me what's Yogi ji done brilliantly this time.
Today Anand is my...
उनको जब मैंने डुबकी लगाते देखा ना, वो तो मजे ले लेके डुबकी लगा रहे हैं.
See,
Yesterday PM also.
Exactly.
Yeah, he has that Rudraksha mala in his hand.
doing multiple
That's
things.
in 2019 also you saw. Where in Ganga and Varanasi also you see. Sarju Tat also in Ayodhya we saw.
But you must
Ajay.
tell about how he came and did the thing and without disturbing it.
Exactly.
Huh. So tell us.
See, Yogi ji is doing since he was 22. He took sannyas when he was 22. So for him, Kumbh is like his very known battlefield, right? He's going to all the Kumbhs with his Gurujis from last 20-30 years, right? This is my 14th day in the Kumbh. I'm going to stay 10 more days at least. Right?
So you're quite nearly
I'm
a Kalpavasi.
almost a half Kalpavasi
Half
already.
Kalpavasi, हाँ,
More
correct.
than Steve Jobs' wife at least. Right? So I think a lot of us came as a tourists, right? We need our flights, we need our tents, hotels, garam pani, all of that. But many of us will go as devotees. See, this Kumbh is not for not meant for many of us, right?
Correct.
This is for devotees who
Yeah.
are walking the streets, and if you talk to them, as you said, they have no problem.
Right.
उनसे पूछो इतना चलना पड़ रहा है, हाँ वो तो मनसा देवी में भी चलना पड़ता है, वो तो वैष्णो देवी में भी चलना पड़ता है, वो तो बैजनाथ में भी चलता है, चलना नहीं तो आए क्यों थे? वो the traffic है, चलना पड़ेगा, ठीक है मत आओ, right? But even then, till today, the government data is 38.97 crore people have
nearly
come to the
39
city.
crores,
39 crore people have come to the city and went. आपके घर में 50 लोगों की पार्टी होती है, पूरा घर का नाश करके चले जाते हैं. 39 crore so-called illiterate people have come to the city. There is no smell. It's spick and span. The people are behaving very consciously, and then there's a
ये
government
बात
support
तो है.
also, right?
ये मैं प्रत्यक्ष
So
अभी देख के आ रहा हूँ.
a yogi doing it, who is attending these kumbhs year after year, kumbh after kumbh, you can see first hand, right? So I think my statement will be, for a lot of people this can be a swimming pool. For many other Indians, at least 40 crores, this is Ma Ganga. As she said, she will make you a kid.
No, and I'll tell you what, those who think that this is the pool and this is all fun and frolic, when they come here, no, they'll perhaps go with a changed impression. What is special about the PM? क्या कह रहे थे आप
Yeah,
बताइए?
please tell that.
So see, when PM came on 5th, right, and we had an event, we were nervous that how will our guests come, what a protocol. Every guest came, and he is the only a very restricted area got cordoned. Even for a far lesser VIPs, right? Like a lot of other areas were cordoned. See, he came with minimal disruptions, and he came. And he was like hardly 800 meters from here. We could have seen him, right? So, and then Yogi Adityanath started that splash thing. Now that became a very popular thing, which we also did.
Yeah.
So all of you come in a round, and then one person come in
We all
between, and we all
splash.
splash
Huh.
on that person. So that has become like a Yogi splash.
It's become
It's a yogi
style.
thing now.
Now let's ask the lady, how has Kumbh changed from when you first came? The story about Maria ji is that she came here, came to Kumbh, and then never went back. Then Bharat became part of her and she became part of Bharat. Right? Wrong?
Yeah.
So tell us, how's it been so far?
I mean, it is my 5th Kumbh actually, and
Kumbh veteran.
Yeah, Kumbh veteran, yeah.
no, and somehow it's so ancient. And what surprises me also is that look, so many people and everybody's good natured,
Yes.
and there's no problem if there are many people on earth. They talk now we should reduce and all this, but if people are good natured and if they have a common attitude towards worldview and feels that everybody has a right to be here, then it is so beautiful. Actually, crowds are beautiful, no?
Yes.
You can talk, and I'm so happy that I know enough Hindi to be able to just talk to people on
And
the road.
everybody is
आप
talking.
कहाँ से? Yeah,
सब
and
बात
it is-
करेंगे यार,
it is
खुश
so
खुश.
beautiful.
हर हर महादेव, राम
And-
राम जी, जय राम जी की कहाँ से आ रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं? कुंभ में आए, नहान स्नान करने आए, कि
Yeah,
काम से आए?
Exactly.
Yeah.
And it makes you so happy also. I mean,
Yeah.
it gives energy and happiness, I feel. And yeah, I'm so
So
grateful.
this time did you
to
bump
the
into any
organizer.
Naga sadhus who asked you 100 रुपया दो?
Actually, I was.
100 रुपया दो, give me 100
I told
rupees.
him.
And he gave you a shibling, no?
No,
Balance.
one thing happened. There were three sadhus with a kind of sitting, and they looked at me, and I was passing them, and then he said, 500 rupiya de do. Then I said, I thought, 500 rupiya little too much, no? And I didn't have my purse, I had only some 200
loose
and
cash,
one
yeah.
500 in my little purse. But then I passed them, and then I thought, maybe I should turn back. So I turned back and I thought I give 100.